Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now guys, there's a saying that goes, you get what you pay for. So you get what you pay for, that's the saying. There's another saying that says money talks and BS walks. So money talks and BS walks. So now guys, I bring you this. Ned Nwoko can't get enough of his beautiful wife Regina as he stares at her in admiration, and there's a video to back this up, so watch it to the end. So again, the headline: Ned Nwoko can't get enough of his beautiful wife Regina as he stares at her in admiration. So that's the headline of the story. It's just a short little caption. Billionaire politician Ned Nwoko couldn't get enough of his beautiful wife Regina as they attended an event together recently. The 58-year-old, now they say he's 58 years old. So before he was 59 years old, and then he was 60 years old. So now he's gone back to 58 years old, but it's just roundabout. I think the age is, they just put the age as roundabout 50 something, late 50s, let's just say, because now this guy's age is indeterminate, because this girl also, one she's in one article she's 18, in another one she's 19, in another one she's 20. I've even seen people say insisting that she's 22, but then whatever the age is, let's just leave it there. The 58-year-old was filmed staring at his wife in admiration. At a point, the pair began to have a close conversation before bursting into laughter. So now there's a video clip to back this up as well, as I said. So I'll tag the video here.
The mission has been made to promote the culture of peace by organizing local and international volunteering projects with local and global impact on the people and communities. This local organization believes the innocent child must be protected from the harsh realities of the challenging world and the future directive for them. This organization demonstrates through a number of local and international projects all to explore.
So there you saw it. So that's Ned Nwoko now doing Lovuwantintin in public with his wife. So this guy is now besotted, of course, with this young girl now. But the money that he's using to maintain her is a lot. But then, of course, you get what you pay for. So as I said earlier on, money talks and BS walks. So his money is doing the talking, and it looks like a good fit because you can see them as a couple. They look like a match. If you ignore the age, then you can see a match there. This is a guy besotted with his wife, and this is the wife acting coy and demure and female and whatnot and feminine. So it's all, it's all Lovuwantintin, according to what's that lady's name? I can't remember the lady that sang Lovuwantintin, but according to her, this is Lovuwantintin now. So Lovuwantintin going on with the elderly, well, let's just call him middle-aged man, and this very, very young bride, or teenage bride. So now this is the goings on now. This is the storyline that Nigerians are gripped with at the moment, and we're all having fun with it. So how does it pan out? With the future can only tell that. Obviously the patterns of little feet is what is yet to come. So the baby bumps, and then the birth, and then the whatever it is that comes after, because this guy has a predilection for women. So this is his wife number 6. So obviously if he has wife number 6, everybody thought he would stop at number 5, everybody thought he would stop at number 4. So there's nothing to say that he will stop at number 6, but then he's obviously now 60 thereabouts. So is he going to slow down? No one knows. But this is a guy that was a yard full of women, and he has a yard full of women already. But congratulations to him. The African society and the African community permits and facilitates for that, and it's not breaking the law, even though it's is claiming is Muslim, and the Muslims cap it at 4, but then he's then gone 2 extra. So conversations in the comment section really is what I am inviting around this going son Ned Nwoko and this teenage bride that he has bought effectively himself. But I'm saying bought himself, that's me being unkind a bit, because it looks as though this girl actually loves him as well. You can really tell from the body language, because we all know the body language of love, and we can see that playing out in this little clip that you saw earlier on, with them looking into each other's eyes like a couple of teenagers. Well, she's a teenager anyway, so it's like, so you can see there's a real feeling there. So it's just beyond the money, but obviously the money always sweetens love. Money always sweetens love. If your wife is offended with you and you say, okay, here's a trip to New York, go do shopping with your friends, and then obviously when she comes back, then there's a suitcase full of goodies for you, and the frowns are turned to smiles, etc., as opposed to you don't have a kobo in your pocket and she's angry. So you know, love sweetens money rather sweetens love. There's absolutely no refuting that. But then there's a real feeling between these two. You can pretty much see that in their body language. So conversations in the comment section, as I said, but before you come join me in the comment section to have that conversation, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray, bell button, that way you are notified every time I drop a new video. Then come tell me what you are making of all this Lovuwantintin between Ned Nwoko and Regina Daniels. So I'll leave you here, join you in the comment section, but here I say peace.